Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to add reviews on Squarespace. This is a fantastic way to build trust with potential customers by showcasing testimonials directly on your site. Also, if you're interested in business tools that could improve your workflow, I've dropped a few links in the description down below. To get started, open your browser and navigate to squarespace.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. This will take you straight to your Squarespace dashboard where all your sites are listed. Now that you're on the dashboard, you'll see all the websites associated with your account. Simply click on the website where you want to add the reviews. This opens up that specific site's management area, giving you access to all the editing tools you'll need. On the upper right corner of the screen, you'll notice an Edit Site button. Click on that and then hit the Edit button to enter the site editor. This is where you can make changes to your site's layout and content in real time. Next, we're going to add a new section to your page. Look for the option to add a section and click on it. You'll be presented with various templates to choose from. For this tutorial, we're going to use the quotes template, which works perfectly for displaying customer reviews in an attractive format. Click on Made with Classic Editor first, then select quotes from the available options. Browse through the quote templates and choose one that matches your site's design and aesthetic. These templates are specifically designed to highlight testimonials in a clean, professional way. Once you've selected your template, you'll see a default quote appear on your page. Now it's time to customize it with your actual review content. Click directly on the text within the quote section. This allows you to delete the placeholder text and type in the actual review from your customer. Make sure the wording is clear and highlights what you want potential customers to see. After entering the review text, you'll want to add attribution. So people know who said it, click on the area where you can add the person's name and type in the name of the customer or client who provided the review. This adds credibility and authenticity to the testimonial. The great thing about Squarespace is you can edit these quotes as much as you want until they look exactly how you envision. You can adjust fonts, colors, alignment, and even add images if your template supports it. Everything you're creating will display as a polished professional review section on your website. Once you're satisfied with how everything looks, make sure to click Save in the upper corner. This ensures all your changes are preserved and will be visible to visitors on your live site. And that's it. You've successfully added reviews to your Squarespace website, making it more trustworthy and appealing to potential customers. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.